and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. PWD says no water from PWD tanks is supplied to hotels in Porvorim. Assures to take action if anyone found guilty. Police trying to sabotage police drug mafia nexus investigation. Charges Parrikar. Threatens to take the matter to the High Court. Panji police nab an associate of car stealing gang. 2 members of the gang still absconding. Dempo Sports Club edge closer to I-League football title. Goan Giants thrash Mohun Bagan 4-1 in Kolkata. And Coca-Cola Celebration Cup Under-16 football begins in Vasco. And now the news in detail. People from Porvorim had highlighted that water tankers supply water from PWD tank to hotels, keeping the common man thirsty. PWD has rubbished these charges. They have taken serious cognizance of this case and have also assured to take action against anyone found guilty.
After Prudent highlighted this issue on Tuesday, senior PWD officials held a meeting on Wednesday. They rubbished the claims that water from tanks of PWD is supplied to hotels.
It is not true.
If you can go and check out with the people, they will tell you definitely what's happening.
It is not this one. There are so many lines, distribution line. Accordingly, we are distributing the water, not to the hotel.
The department official have assured to talk to the locals in Porvorim and get to the bottom of the issue. Principal Chief Engineer of PWD, Vacha Sundar, has said that their officials will go and get the information from the people.
No, I don't mind. Our AC will go there and maybe tomorrow AC we just pick some timing of 1 hour and they can even this is good session. We don't mind have interactions with the people also, so that people's minds also will be clear. And I will be appealing to you people that suppose anything is found out other way around, and that also you can give us some suitable sort of what you can say knowledge to the public.
Vacha Sundar has also assured to study the water supply of last 7 days.
I will be telling my superintendent, I have told him also, let him check the records. Point number 1. And because as I told you, we have instructed our field staff that when they are supplying the water by tanker, they will be taking the receipts.
Vacha Sundar has warned that if the charges are proved, then department will take action against the guilty people.
So we have given one suggestion as told to E, like you mark certain area where there is a shortage of water, you mark area, certain say 1 ward, keep 1 tanker there, responsibility full day, that area. So it's his tanker responsibility, anything goes wrong, he is the responsible person, that driver and that tanker. Got it, no? You don't see, now you don't have control where the tanker goes and what they are doing.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanorkar, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar has alleged that local police are trying to sabotage the police drug mafia nexus investigation. He has threatened to take this matter to the High Court. Parrikar says, summon the kiosk owner opposite to the crime branch office at Donapaula and investigators will know the whereabouts of the absconding PC Sanjay Parab.
DYSP of Crime Branch, Chandrakant Sargaonkar, has come out with a clarification that no minister's son is involved in drug nexus with Atala. Parrikar questioned how could DYSP say this even without investigating the matter properly.
1 or 2 places I saw DYSP of that crime branch stating that there is no politician's son. How does he know? Does he know which politician that girlfriend is referring to?
Parrikar has alleged that Atala police drug nexus investigation is manipulated by the local police.
आणि म्हणून भारतीय जनता पक्ष परत एकदा आम्ही रिइटेट करता की दिस पर्टिक्युलर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन is being manipulated by the local police. My information says they have already fixed arrangement with some other police officials who were earlier trying to crack the case.
Parrikar has threatened to communicate the matter with the High Court if the investigation continues the way it is going on.
I am likely and I am inclined, after if nothing comes out after the ad hoc committee's finding, I am inclined to write to the Bombay High Court for referring this matter to CBI.
Parrikar claims if police wants to know the whereabouts of the absconding constable Sanjay Parab, they should summon the Gada owner near the crime branch office at Donapaul.
हांव आतां पुलिशीक सांगता तांच्यांनी तांच्या समोर जो क्रायम ब्रँची समोर जो गाडो आसा पळय त्या गाडयाचे कोण तो ओनर आहा पळय ताका उखलतो आनी ताजी इन्क्वायरी करची आनी ताजो मोबायल नंबर चॅक करचो वेदर दॅट मोबायल वॉज बीइंग यूज्ड बाय संजय परब ड्युरींग इट्स डिसअपियरन्स.
BJP's national president Nitin Gadkari's Goa visit is scheduled on 6th and 7th May. He will also address a public meeting.
पण एक आमी पहिल्याच खेपाचे अध्यक्ष जातकूच पहिल्याच खेपा गोंयांत येता त्यामुळे तांचें स्वागत करपाक आनी तांचो मॅसेज सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांक वचूंक जाय हाज्या खातीर 7 तारखेक सांजची 5 वरांचेर कितल्यान 4:30 आझाद मैदानाचेर एक जाहीर सभा आयोजीत केल्ली आसा.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
The Panji police have nabbed an associate of a gang involved in car thefts. The stolen cars were sold in Goa after forging the registration documents. Police sources say 2 other members of the gang are still absconding.
A person involved in theft of cars has been arrested by Panji police. Santosh Gaonkar from Rai Salset is an associate of a bigger gang involved in car theft. The police have recovered 7 vehicles from the accused. Police Inspector Sandesh Sodankar said 2 more persons, Mukund Gondal from Maharashtra and Robin Alexander from Kolkata, are absconding. He said the gang was renting a car for self-driving, forge the registration documents of the vehicle and then sell it or keep the vehicle as mortgage. All the cars have been sold in Goa. He also said the accused was arrested 5 days back. The offence was registered on Friday.
एक क्रिमिनलांची गँग आमी अरेस्ट केला. तातूंत 3 लोक बेजिकली 3 लोक इन्वॉल्व आसा. मुकुंद गोंदेरी, रॉबिन अलेक्झांडर आनी संतोष गांवकर. मुकुंद गोंदेरी म्हणटा तो इचलकरंजी महाराष्ट्राचो, रॉबिन अलेक्झांडर म्हणटा तो कलकत्ताचो आनी संतोष गांवकर म्हणटा तो साऊथ गोवा सालसेत राय सालसेतचो. आज पर्यंत तेजे कडल्यान 7 व्हेकल्स रिकवर केले आमी. मोटर्स ऑपरेंडी तेंची गाडी भाड्याक घेवप 1 म्हयन्याक लागून सेल्फ ड्रायवाक म्हणून फॉर्जरी करप डॉक्युमेंट्साची, आपल्या नांवार गाडी करप आनी कोणा कडेन तरी विकप नाल्यार घाण दवरप. हे अशें करून तेंच्यांनी जवळ जवळ 8 ते 10 व्हेकल व्हेल्लेल्यो. तितल्यो 7 आज पर्यंत आमी रिकवर केल्या आनी एक रिकवर जावपाची शक्यता आसा.
PI said there is a possibility of more arrests, including Mukund and Robin. A reporter Jason Suarez and Patterson Fernandez.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.